Hello everyone, here in this video we'll discuss how we can install Notepad++ on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. Let me tell you that Notepad++ is one of the most popular source code editor. So if you want a source code editor for your programming need, then you can install Notepad++. To install it, first of all we have to download the installer file. For that, simply open any browser and search for Notepad++ and open the link from notepad++.org. Don't worry about the download link, I'll provide the download link in the description box. So this is the official website from where you can download Notepad++. So to download, simply click on this download tab and select the version you want to install. Let me download the latest version of Notepad++. And here you will get download link, simply download the installer file. Once download has been completed, simply open the installer file. Here we have the setup window. Let me minimize the browser. And from the drop down menu, simply select your language, then click on OK, then click on Next, and accept the license agreement, then click on I agree. Here you will find an option to select the installation location. However, I will suggest you to keep it default, then click on Next. And from the installation type, from the drop down menu, simply select Custom, then click on Next. If you want to create a desktop shortcut, then you can check this box, or else uncheck the box, then click on Install button and wait for the installation process to complete. Once done, simply click on Finish button and it will launch Notepad++ on your screen. However, if you don't get Notepad++ window on your screen, then you can simply search for Notepad++ on the search option. Now you can use this application to view and edit your source code. Let me show you an example. Say for example, if you want to write HTML code, then you can simply click on File, then click on New, and here simply write your HTML code from the Language tab. Click on H, and here simply select your language, that is HTML. When you select your language, it will format your code. Now to save, you can simply click on File, then click on Save As, select the location where you want to save your file, then name your file, let me name it as Demo, then click on Save. Now you are ready to use Notepad to view and edit your source code. So that's for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.